Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Python on your Visual Studio Code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to open python.org and download it into your device. So go to the download section, and under that you should be able to see this download for Windows option. And if you are using a Mac OS, you just need to select the Mac OS version. So let us download it by clicking onto this button right here. So after downloading it, just make sure that you click onto the executable file. Click on do that, and you can check this box right here. Use admin privileges when installing the Python executable file. And also you can add it to your path. So I'm just going to check that. So you can just install it. Let it install for a few seconds. So now all you need to do, or the next thing that you need to do rather, is to download the Visual Studio Code into your device if you haven't already. I'm not going to do that right now because I already have the Visual Studio Code in my device. So now after installing the Python you can just close it if you want to. And for now, let's try to create a Python file here in Visual Studio Code. So click new file and then text file. And for the language we are going with Python. There you go, select that one. And Visual Studio Code will automatically create a Python file draft for you. So you need to press the Control key on your keyboard. And if you're using a Mac OS, press Command S. Now let us try to save the file, and I'm going to save it in my desktop for an easier I can locate easier. So I'm just going with test.py. So this is the extension for Python file. So make sure that you include that one or this py or py extension in your also. So I'm just going to save it, and I'm going to create a new one for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm just going with this. Hit enter and you'll have the second Python file in your project. So now let us type in the command for it. So I'm going to type in print, this is file 1. So there you go. And another one for print 50. So there you go. Now for the second file I'm going with print, this is file 2, enter, and then print 100. So there you go. So then as you can see, both of those files are created in my desktop. As you can see, now let us go back and open the terminal by clicking CMD on your search bar. There you go. And let us open the directory of it. So type in Python, or you can just go to py and then desktop/test.py once you enter that one. And as you can see, it is showing here exactly. And let us try to open the second file. Do the same thing, py desktop/test.py, hit enter. So there you go. I have made an error while I was doing the test2 file, so do it again. And as you can see, it is working properly. Now you can basically do the same thing in terminal. So if you want to locate your files right here. So I'm just going py desktop again /testpy, hit enter. And then as you can see, you have the same result. So let's try again for the second file. So type in py desktop/test2.py. So there you go. So that is basically it. That is all that you need to do to set up Python in your Visual Studio Code. So then I hope this video helped you. Thanks.